Mr. Rogers, eh?
Mr. B.
And guess what? We have some special guests coming in a few moments. We're going to talk real quick again about Newton's second law of motion. Now, he's a pretty smart guy, but so is Mr. B. Mr. B, do you remember Newton's second law of motion?
Is it force equals mass times acceleration?
He's right. Force equals mass times acceleration. So, we have a little experiment. You may have seen something like this before at the county fair. Some good old tug of war. So, what's going to happen on the count of 3 is Mr. B and I are going to see who's stronger. Are you ready, Mr. B?
I'm ready.
All right. On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go! Ugh! Oh my goodness, Mr. B, you're pretty strong.
Thank you.
All right, so I don't know if you noticed, but Mr. B, between his mass, he is a little bit bigger than me. We'll say taller. But he also is stronger. And because of that, he pulled me in this tug of war. I'm going to need a backup. Miss Farrell, will you come help? So right now, I'm going to increase both my mass and acceleration. We're going to see how this goes. Are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1. All right, stop. That's a pretty good matchup. It seems, by Miss Farrell coming in, thanks for saving the day, the 4th grade team was able to balance out the strength of Mr. B. So what happens if we invite another friend over? Hey, Miss Frank. So right now, I think you can notice that mass, good looks, and acceleration are going to be increased on this side. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Ugh. So this goes to tell you about Newton's second law of motion. When we first started, Mr. B's mass and acceleration was greater than my mass and acceleration, which means he had more force than I did. When Miss Farrell joined, we actually balanced. Now, we probably have more mass between the two of us, but his acceleration matched our mass, and that's why we were equal. Thanks, Miss Frank. You made me feel better. 4th grade rules. We were able to increase the mass and acceleration, so Mr. B ends up on the ground. So, when we talk about Newton's second law, it's force equals mass times acceleration. We'll continue to talk about that with a few other activities.